Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing good and safe. So today in this video we will learn how to write a formal letter to the principal requesting leave due to illness. So this is one of the most important letter writing questions asked in school examinations. So let's begin. First, we will be writing the date. After that, write the principal address. To the principal, your school name and your school address. Now write the subject. Request for leave due to illness. Here the subject is your writing to the letter which is regarding. Begin the body of the letter with respected sir or madam. Now write the content what you are actually about to state. So I respectfully state that I am suffering for a fever and the doctor has advised me to take complete rest. Therefore, I am unable to attend the school from some date to some date. So kindly grant me leave for the above mentioned period in this way, in this format. You will be already getting the format of the body here in this letter. You can see. It will be very good and advisable to mention your name, your class and section at the top of the body only. Once the body of the letter is completed, finally write thank you for your kind consideration or thanking you. And at the right side of the bottom, yours obediently write your name, your class, section and roll number. So with this, here we are finally completing the letter. So students, remember to keep your letter polite, simple and neatly formatted. Letters should always look simple, polite and clear. So I hope this video is useful for you all. If this video helped you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more letter writing videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video all with more interesting letter topics. Stay tuned. Bye guys.